Who says PowerPoint is boring? Just try this in few steps and you'll find an interesting title, which is very crazy to see. PowerPoint is no more boring. It's very interesting to create amazing and crazy title using PowerPoint in very few steps. So the first step is to open a new presentation, insert the text, change the font name and resize the font. Split the text and align it centrally. Now, the next step is to insert rectangle shape. Change the color of the shape to white and set no outline. Now send the shape to the back. Now select shape and the title both. Go to shape format. Select subtract from merge shape tools. You will find a blank screen. No worries. Now insert the picture of your choice. Send the picture to back. And here is the very amazing title that you want to see. And you can change the format, color or the background color as per your choice to make it more appealing and Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe my channel to get more tips like this. Thank you so much.